This shop consistently generates more than $21,000 each month by selling mugs on Etsy. There are numerous similar shops operating on the same model. In this video, we will delve into the business model I utilized to achieve my first $100,000 in online earnings, but with a twist of incorporating AI to handle most of the workload. I'm referring to the realm of print on demand, which is essentially a form of dropshipping, specifically with mugs. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, we will examine various examples to give you a clear picture of the numbers. I will elucidate the entire process and business model, and right here in this video, I will walk you through the easiest and least skill-intensive approach to initiate your own venture. To fully grasp the potential and inner workings of this business, consider this Etsy listing. It features a simple mug adorned with a floral print, raking in approximately $5,000 per month. While the design may be straightforward, it is remarkably effective, and we utilize AI to create similar designs. The same shop offers other listings, such as one generating $1,000 per month with a closely related design, and another that brings in $500 per month with a similar design. Altogether, these three listings have sold over 1,191 mugs. Managing inventory, printing designs, and shipping orders to customers for such a volume would be a daunting task, but this is where print-on-demand becomes essential. It closely resembles traditional dropshipping, but you work with a supplier like Printify, which provides white-label products such as t-shirts, pillows, socks, posters, and mugs that can be customized. Printify seamlessly integrates with Etsy's marketplace, making the process incredibly straightforward. Your role is to choose a product, upload a design, whether an image, text, or AI-generated, and list it for sale in your Etsy shop. With suitable mockups, it will be showcased in your Etsy store, and when a customer orders it, Printify takes care of printing the design on the mug and shipping it directly to the customer. This business model is one of the simplest to initiate, as you don't need a physical store, a website, or even advertising campaigns. Income potential. The income potential of this business model becomes evident when you examine shops like Strictly Business Mugs, which primarily sells mugs and has generated over $800,000 in mug sales. Even more impressive is LeBlue, a shop on Etsy that has been around for a shorter period than Strictly Business Mugs, but has managed to amass around $1.25 million in revenue from mug sales. They have a variety of simple designs, like a definition mug that has brought in over $7,000, or another mug generating over $6,000 from a single listing. What's truly remarkable is that they achieved this $1.25 million in revenue over just 1,735 days as of this video, which might sound like a long time, but it means they have earned an average of $720 every day since they opened their shop, or $21,613 each month. Whether this is clickbait or a thriving business is up for you to decide. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Quick start. Start selling in 1 minute. Now let's get into the exciting part of creating designs with AI. The first step is to create a new Gmail account, preferably using your business name. This will come in handy when you set up other associated accounts, keeping everything organized and separate from your personal email. On Etsy, click on the Sell on Etsy button at the bottom of the page and choose Open a Shop. Sign up for free using the link provided below the video, which gives you 40 free listings. Using the same business email, sign up for Printify by following another link. Connect your Etsy shop to your Printify so that all your products and orders sync seamlessly. This integration streamlines the process for a more hands-off approach. Now that the setup is complete and surprisingly easy, you can begin designing products using AI. One of my favorite AI tools for this purpose is Midjourney, an image generation AI. It allows you to generate designs from a single text prompt. To use it, create a free Discord account and then head to the Midjourney website. Click on Join the Beta at the bottom of the page to connect to the Midjourney server within Discord. While you're on Discord, join my server to engage with like-minded individuals and discuss related topics. Unfortunately, using Midjourney for commercial purposes requires a $10 monthly fee. When you're in the Midjourney server, right-click on the Midjourney bot and select Message to open your private chat so you can focus on your own images. This AI tool can produce 4 new images each time you run a prompt. You can also use the Reroll button to generate new images based on the same prompt. If one of the images is almost right but not quite, use the variation buttons to create similar images, and the upscale button can make the image larger. With a simple method, you can generate numerous images with white backgrounds that are ideal for mugs. This allows you to create a variety of appealing designs with minimal effort. The key is to have at least one design that resonates with your audience, as that can lead to substantial success. In the listing section, you can easily edit the images and mockups for your products, and I recommend using professionally designed mockups for the best results. Searching for proven mockups on Etsy or using free resources like rawpixel.com can help you find the right visual presentations for your products. After downloading a mockup, you can edit it using a free Photoshop alternative called Photopea, which enables you to adjust and position your design as needed. Once you have your mockup ready, upload it to your listing, set your title, tags, and description to optimize SEO for organic visibility. Utilize keywords from successful listings in your niche to compose your title and tags. It's important to remember that the more listings you create, the higher your chances of gaining visibility. Bonus tips and fixing errors. Before you embark on your journey, be aware of some common issues. For instance, when creating mockups for single-sided images, you may need to scale up your artwork and adjust its position to ensure it appears correctly on the final product. If you're dealing with images that have backgrounds, make sure they are white or use a background removal tool for other colors. Removing the background can be done easily with various online tools. If you're aiming to use the same graphic on products with different base colors, it's important to have a version of the graphic with a transparent background. This will allow you to place the graphic on various product colors without any issues. In summary, this business model, when combined with the power of AI, can be a highly profitable and relatively low-effort way to earn money online. By leveraging AI for design creation, selecting the right products, optimizing your listings, and utilizing professional mockups, you can start your own print-on-demand business and potentially achieve significant financial success. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!